Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm painting Hyun. Today painting Bougainvillea in San Diego. I have already done sketchy on the watercolor paper. So first I'm wetting the paper in flowers with clean water. Apply ultramarine mix cobalt blue on sky and on the flowers area. Tilt the paper back and forth. And apply light ultramarine in the bottom of the flowers and the stairs area. Next, move on to flowers. Take some lead and put on the flower here and there. I'm putting light red color on the top of the flowers. These colors will be spreading quickly on the paper because this paper is still very much wet. Red mix crimson lake and magenta. So I got some very thick and strong color put on the flowers area. This is a second layer, right? So these colors, so I mixture of red and crimson lake. So this color to be added on the bottom of flowers area and center of flowers. I got some sap green mix ultramarine. So this is flower leaves. So paint these leaves with sap green. And then I'm still using the tip of the brush. Apply water again and put on the plant area with sap green. I put this masking tape on the back of paper. So I want to flow the paint from top to bottom. It's a wet on wet technique. Move on to window area. I'm going to draw each window with a sort of blue. Burnt sienna mix indigo. Oh, this color ultramarine deep mix indigo. I'm sorry. Now I'm put on the water, put on the entrance door with burnt sienna. Take some more thicker and dark strong color. Put on the entrance door again and draw lines. Draw vertical line and horizontal lines. A lot of beautiful flowers are in front of a house, so I take some sap green mix, ultramarine deep, so a little dark strong color, put on the in front of plant area. Flowers color red, yellow, yeah, here and there, small flowers there. I'm painting stairs with ultramarine. Light is coming from upper right corner. This is a shadow from Bougainvillea flowers. This is a shadow I painted. I'm painting ultramarine on the entrance door and wall. And then I'm draw tiny vines with dark ultramarine and mix burnt sienna. Draw smoothly. Not a straight line or curved line that binds skinny twisted. So line is very move smoothly. This is final touch-up. Draw some peaks of flowers here and there. Okay, I'm all done. So see you next time. Bye.